How to log in Costco Citi Card online account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. To log in to your Costco Citi Card, open up a browser that you prefer. Search for Costco Citi Card Login. You have to select the first option of Costco Anywhere Visa Card by Citi. Go ahead and tap on the first option. You'll be redirected to the official homepage of Citi. Now wait until it loads. In your right hand side, you will see the option of Sign On. Select on the option. To log in, enter your credential. That includes your user ID, your password. You can tap on Remember User ID, then tap on Sign On. If you are new, select Register or Activate. If you have forgotten any of your credentials, just tap on Forgot User ID or Password. You can also passwordless sign on. That includes your biometric. Now, if you have forgotten any of your credentials, select User ID or Password. It will redirect you to a new web page where you'll be able to recover your account. Select your account type and use the primary account holder's information to verify your identity. That is to enter your ATM debit or credit card, then tap on Continue. If you want more support, you can tap on the chat icon. Select Allow. Now, in your right hand side, you will see your bot chat. You can ask for queries in this section, and the bot will reply to you regarding your inquiry. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.